So no one can tell we when and how. We do nothing at all what we do seeing. So in the morning, I want to say again to Grand Spend community, please, me I beg the item with a deep concern in my heart to keep the peace. We don't know where going with that Jushii something there. We don't know what going with that Romy something there. We don't know what going, but we see the splash will take place in the paper and the media the other day. And some of we even learn with voice and ask for the peace. We still a do that. We see we're going with Jushii vehicle and the whole heap of people were injured. Jamaican people are we alone have to solve with problems them only want we go against with one another so that they can find an excuse for kill we out. All of the dons them, all of the leaders them and the communities them we are feud, make we take a different approach to how we deal with disputes and we arguments and we divide and the quarrels what we have make we find a different way. Jamaican black people for deal with things. We not defend no one in no wrongs. We not defend wrongs. We defend peace and unity and working out things. That's we can all have a good solution, Jamaican people. We don't want no war start a grand spend. We don't want no war start a grand spend start. We want the war for done in our communities, them in a Jamaica. Please, please, somehow we they are beg for one another. We are beg for no, we are beg for Jamaica. We are beg for we culture. Peace, unity. We know it rough, we know it hard, we know it sometimes me saying this, I wanna say I want to your queen, which bumbuckler unity, but trust me no man. We can't continue to do this to one another star no matter what the situation is. Make we come together and reason it out, man. And stop kill off of one another and shoot off of one another, man. Because that's all them want we do kill each other, man. Grand spend, wallet, man. Wallet. You see me? Ja.